Spring cleaning checklist. Many mattress manufacturers suggest that you flip your mattress once a year. This task will help prevent your body from creating a form in the mattress over time. Gutters are your main defense against water damage from outside. To keep your gutters functioning at their best, remember to clean them out this spring. It is recommended by many carpet manufacturers to steam clean your carpet once every year. This process can help remove any deep stains or dirt mucked into your carpet fibers. Our pantry store many snacks and food supplies. By cleaning your pantry once a year, you can help prevent the buildup of expired foods. Spring is the perfect time to deep clean your outdoor windows, and after you are done with them, wipe down your inside windows. During this process is the ideal time to wash your drapes or curtains as well. Winter just ending, our fireplaces can become quite dirty. This spring, get your shop vac and clean out your fireplace. You will love the fact that you did. For more tips, visit unitedfloors.ca.